You can now schedule additional services to your already scheduled turns directly within the Rent Ready portal. For example, I just realized that I need resurfacing for Unit 19C, and I need maintenance because my in-house team is not available. So I can click on either of those services and actually schedule them within this existing turn. So I need this for March 6th. And when scheduling a service that you have marked as in-house, you can also try Rent Ready if it's one of our services. So I'm going to schedule to a pro, and I'm going to do the same thing for resurfacing because I need resurfacing as well. So you'll see that this will update all of your subsequent services that come after those. So make sure to reselect your pros according to those new dates. While that loads, I just want to show you within your property settings on your turn profile, this applies to any services that are unchecked or that you did not originally schedule when you placed your order. Oh, there we go. Took a minute, but now we see that our maintenance and resurfacing are scheduled to the date selected, and in this case, they're both scheduled to Rent Ready Pros.